Hi ladies and gents, this is Ellen. Just want to share with you this pack before I post it out. It's a 72 piece boho pack. So this is a prize that I will also be including in my challenge. And also it's currently on sale as well in my store. I think it's 35 Australian, so it's probably about maybe 20 or 25 US. And you get a whole bunch of goodies that I'll just go through very quickly. Right. So you get about 20 different dyed pages, coffee dyed pages from, this is graph on one side and lines on the other, so that's cool. So I think you get about 10 of those and 10 of these computer papers. Oh, these are the graph ones. I've never seen papers like that. Graph on one side and lines on the other. How cool is that? And there'll also be some of these old ledgers as well in there. Also this graph. And as you can see, beautiful coffee staining, and also these ones as well, the computer paper. And the lines are just made, of course, with these are all baked in the oven, soaked in coffee and baked. I used to spray them, but yeah, I think I don't mind dipping them in coffee now either, so I suppose it's whatever I feel like doing at the time. So yeah, you'll get about 20 of those, but I do tend to chuck in a few extras. And then you'll get 3 of these. These are gorgeous little coffee dyed angel ones. And what I do with these to hide that, the bride and groom, is I just, if you don't want it showing, I just fold it up like that and glue it like that. So then it also can become a pocket that you can put a little tag in, or you can just leave it like that if you're not too fussed. And yeah, and also 3 bags as well. This one is a beautiful pink and white, peach and white. Yeah, so that's that part. And then you'll be getting these. So yeah, it's not exactly this, like it depends on what I have at the time, but I'll just very quickly go through these. These are all vintage, hand sewn, hand beaded, so you'll get a handful of those. It's been crocheted and it's got the beads on the outside. Beautiful. Wow, that's pretty. Look at those colours. Silk, beautiful sari silk, and there's heaps of that. Oh, this is a beautiful piece. Oh, wow. Gorgeous. And yeah, very generous, big pieces. Beautiful. So that's one of the bows. This is the other bow. Also, every order will also get a surprise goodie as well. Surprise little goodie bag. And all orders will be getting 2 or 3 of these. So these are actually hand sewn. See that? They're gorgeous with the beads. How gorgeous is that? 2 or 3. Depends how much I got left. How many people order. If there's not a lot of orders, I can do 3. Yeah, so these are beautiful old vintage pieces. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my gosh. So pretty. And yeah, I'm working on a journal. It's almost finished. Boho journal. Have used a few of these. Oh my gosh. Love those little mirror things. Yeah, I think all up there are, it's a 73 piece kit all up. But I always include a few extras. I think it's 43 pieces of boho stuff, and the rest is the papers and stuff. But I always include a bit extra. So beautiful peacocks. It's beautiful. Wow. Gorgeous. Very pretty. It's like velvet. It'll be a nice Christmas one. And there's a fair bit of that as well. Probably a yard. Oh, it's a lovely velvety one. There's another one. Some pretty. Hold it this way. I couldn't find my what do you call it? Desktop tripod. So I've awkwardly placed my phone in a way that, yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Oh God, this is so pretty. Hold it this way so you can see. There's the back. A few more pieces. Beautiful. Shipping overseas is very reasonable, and don't forget how shitty our dollar is, so shipping is gonna be like F all money. So pretty. Especially US and UK and euros, like, yeah, hardly anything. Oh wow, so gorgeous. This customer will be really happy with this. And hi Andrea, if you're watching. Hi sweetie. Yeah, she's a very good customer, so I always look after her. Isn't that pretty? Look at the beautiful pearls. Oh my gosh. Beautiful colour. Oh wow. Oh, this is a peacock, I think. Is it? Yeah. That's beautiful. Could be a butterfly, not sure. And of course these are sari silks, and there's a lot, and that can be cut up and used of course in projects and whatever you're using. Actually, I used those in one of my projects recently. Yeah, just wanted to share that with you. So that will be going in the prize pack for the challenge I'm doing as one of the prizes, and also on sale at the moment in my Zibbet store. I think it's about 35, so it's 10% off sale. And I'll also include a few extras with that and put the link below. But if the link isn't below, it's just click on any one of my other videos, it'll be there, or my Zibbet stories in my channel art. You'll see a blue, I think it's a blue and white Z. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.